Hey everyone, so what are we going to do around the perimeters? Okay, so Lux is a floating floor system. And what we need to do as we go around all the perimeters, we need to leave the flooring roughly 5 to 8 millimeters away. And what that then does, it gives the flooring the capacity to expand and contract. But you've got skirting boards in place. So imagine now there's some skirting boards. You've got your wall here, and then you've got some skirting boards in place. So what do we do? For the most part, for the DIY clientele, what we would do is recommend leave your skirting boards, don't touch them, because if you pull them off, what's going to happen is you're going to damage the wall. You most likely are going to pull the skirting boards apart, they're going to crack, they're going to splinter, and you're going to have to replace them fully. So option A is to get a thing called a scotia. So scotia is a quad or a quarter round. Essentially, it's 3 different variations of name, but saying the exact same thing. So your skirting boards will be in place. The flooring gets laid 5 millimeters away from the skirting boards, and then the scotia then drops in there like that, nice and seamless. This is a beautiful option for most of our DIY clientele. This is what we recommend. But on the flip side to that, you might be in the full renovation process and you desire to have the flooring essentially tucked under the skirting boards. And if we're going to tuck the flooring under the skirting boards, what we actually have to do is we have to take those skirting boards, remove them completely, lay the flooring 5 to 8 millimeters away, and then we take skirting boards and drop them on top afterwards. This gives that more seamless look, that the flooring slots underneath the skirting boards. The flip side to that is there is some more work on the opposite side. But what I mean by that is once the skirting boards do go up, there's tack marks everywhere, all over the place. So they need to be sanded and filled, potentially a urethane top line, and then painted. So there's a little bit more work on the other side of it. Whatever you desire to do, at least there's an option to take.